Hi, my name's Fran and this is The Creative's Edge. I am the owner and director of Lelo Living, which is a homewares brand, and I've run creative businesses my entire adult life. And I'm here to teach you all the things that I've learned from that to hopefully make it easier for you to get whatever creativity that is inside you out and in front of people. We've been on Notonthehighstreet for, I think, 7-8 years, maybe longer than that, maybe 11 years, long time. Anyway, and they came to us and said that we were in an area that they had a gap in at the time and wanted to fill, which was sort of furniture and homewares. They had a lot of arty kind of things at the time and jewellery, but they were trying to fill that. But if you're wanting to get onto Notonthehighstreet now, they do still reach out, but quite often you can reach out to them. And if you're going to do that, you kind of have to Notonthehighstreetify your shop and your business so that you have the things that they want, which is a good story with you in it as well. They like to see you, and it needs to be a kind of nice cohesive, this is why we do it, this is who we are, and this is what we do when you order from us. But then also your photography also needs to fit with it as well. Notonthehighstreet are very much about having lifestyle photography, and it's that sort of dream lifestyle feel that they want, and very much with people in products, people handling the products, people living their life, and you're sort of a voyeur in their Instagram kind of life kind of view. That's what kind of photography they want you to have, and you kind of need to have attained that ideally before you contact Notonthehighstreet, so that you've got that kind of vibe going on. Just really fits with who they are, because they don't photograph your products, but they want it to look like they have, effectively, like it's all one big catalogue. The Notonthehighstreet audience is usually a gifting based audience. Etsy audience is a much wider audience, but then they're usually a gifting audience, but they're also quite often a little bit more willing to pay for that. Notonthehighstreet products tend to be a bit higher in priced anyway, which is partly because of the inner workings of Notonthehighstreet. Also, the quality they've really curated, so the quality is always high on there. So you know that you're getting good quality, generally handmade, usually UK made, and from small businesses where you can speak to someone directly if you want to. Their customer service is good, your customer service within the Notonthehighstreet brand has to be good, and so that's the kind of thing that you're paying for, and the people who shop on Notonthehighstreet know that and expect that from you, and rightly so. The only thing with Notonthehighstreet, it's in the name and no one thinks about it, is that your products are supposed to not be on the high street. You know, they're not widely available, and an Etsy product can be on the high street and still be on Etsy as long as it's handmade. Whereas Notonthehighstreet really, you know, it really should be something ideally exclusive to them, or something that's not widely available. And that's one of the things that people do fall foul of when Notonthehighstreet businesses grow, and they become high street businesses, and then they've sort of in that grey area and kind of outgrow Notonthehighstreet in many ways.